Hey y'all, I've been working on these boxes today to get some more coverage in the garden because I've been slacking on that. Uh, but we had some much needed rain here Saturday, and the past couple of days I haven't been able to get in the garden. But out here today, and the grass has just is popping now. That rain, it helped the garden, but it also boosted that grass. So let me show y'all this. Get all the grass that's come up. It is crazy, and I've got to get this covered or I'm gonna fall way behind in the garden. You see over here where I've got stuff down, it looks so much better. I mean, yeah, there's some stuff coming up in the rows, but overall I can deal with that. I can pluck that out little by little. But if this stuff gets too high, I'll lose whole sections of the garden. It's gonna be hard to get it back. I'll be in here with weed eaters and whatever other kind of power tools I can to get it back. So I'm gonna try to get this stuff down today. It's kind of late in the day, but we're gonna do what we can do today, and maybe we'll have to finish it up tomorrow. We'll see. So I've been taking a lot of tape and stuff off of these boxes, and I won't subject you to that. It takes forever. What we want to do is we want to get all of this tape off, all that stuff, and we also want to get, if there's any staples or anything like that, we want to get that stuff out. And with the time I've lost today, may not get to doing a whole lot of this. If it's got staples in it, I'll probably just save it and use it for later. I'm gonna try to get some good pieces and get the grass covered, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I've got a good bit of boxes here, enough for me to start laying stuff down. Didn't get all the boxes. Some of these just weren't worth the work. They had styrofoam in them and different things. This is all the stuff I got off of those boxes over there in one pile. So pretty good bit of stuff. Time to start laying them down. Okay, so I didn't have as much as I thought I had. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow. It looks like it's getting pretty late. I'm losing daylight, and anyway, it's frustrating to not get done tonight. I'm gonna put some hay on this, and then I'll come back tomorrow. That's all I can do. You got to remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Keep pushing. Well, at least we got one row pretty much done. Have to try to finish those other ones tomorrow. Y'all have a good night. Okay, y'all. End of day 2. I didn't show anything. I didn't show anything here on day 2 because it was just more of what I did yesterday, taking tape and staples and things like that out of boxes and then laying the boxes down. But I've got everything down and covered. So that's day 2 of Operation Cardboard Shield. It's not necessarily pretty, but I'm not going for pretty right now. I'm going for functional, and to be able to ensure that I will continue to be able to walk down these rows. So I'll show you what I've got here, and then we'll call it a night, and I'll go get some dinner. As the year goes on, we'll reinforce. I'll get bark. I'll mulch in with that. Picking up some of these old boxes to slide new boxes underneath. The boxes are already going away, and the grass underneath is not growing, and that is the point. So everything will mulch in and add organic material to the soil year after year, and that's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna head out, go in the house before it gets too late, and get some dinner and get some sleep. So I appreciate you guys coming by. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.